Hi everyone, it's me, your maths tutor, and hopefully you all are fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the Venn diagrams for De Morgan's law. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get started. We have two De Morgan's law here. These are mentioned in equation number 1 and 2. The first one is A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. And the second De Morgan's law is A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. इन लॉज की वेन डायग्राम बनाने से पहले आई हैव टेकन अ यूनिवर्सल सेट दैट इज़ a natural number from 1 to 6 and a set A and B both are the subsets of universal sets, and we can see that the number 3 is common in between A and B, so these two sets are overlapping sets. So for drawing the Venn diagram of these two De Morgan's law, we have to draw the diagram for A complement and B complement, because you can see here it is A complement, B complement, and in the second law we have A complement and B complement. So मैंने डिसाइड किया कि सबसे पहले A complement और B complement की हम डायग्राम बना लेते हैं. तो इन दोनों को ज्वाइन करने से we will take the union of A prime means A complement and B complement, we will get A union A complement union B complement. This will be highlighted in this figure. And whenever we take the intersection, the common region of A complement and B complement, we get this diagram which will fulfill for A complement intersection B complement. It's mean A complement intersection B complement की डायग्राम ये होगी, A complement union B complement की डायग्राम ये होगी. For intersection we have to take the intersection of these diagrams, and for union we have to take the union of these diagrams. So let's draw the Venn diagram for A complement. We all know that A complement is equal to U minus A. It's mean every element of U will be subtracted from set U. So we have to shade all the region of this rectangle except A. So this is the universal set U, and we have two sets A and B, and both are overlapping sets. So I draw the Venn diagram like this. This is the diagram for overlapping sets. These both sets are overlapped here with a common region as this, in which the element is 3, because 3 is common in A and B. So except A, every portion will be shaded, because we have to find A complement. We have to draw the Venn diagram for A complement. For A complement, A will not be shaded. A is subtracted from U. So every portion of U will be highlighted or shaded except A. Now B complement. In B complement we have the formula U minus B. So every element of B is eliminated from U, means तमाम एलिमेंट B के U में से निकाल देंगे तो B शेड नहीं होगा, जो रिजल्टेंट एलिमेंट्स होंगे वो U सेट में से होंगे. तो एवरी पोर्शन ऑफ U विल बी शेडेड एक्सेप्ट B. So this is universal set U, and this is our set A, this is our set B, and this is common region, that is 3 here, and except B, every part of this figure will be shaded. Like this. So these are the Venn diagrams for A complement and B complement. Now to take the intersection of these two diagrams, means intersection means what? Intersection means the common shaded region in both of these diagrams. So what is the common shaded region? You can see here A is not shaded, but here A is shaded. Here B is not shaded, and here B is shaded. So these A and B are not the common region, common shaded region. Only one common shaded region is here in this rectangle, means कि जो तमाम एलिमेंट्स U के हैं वो common shaded region है. Okay, so we will draw the Venn diagram like this. This is set A, this is set B, and this is common region where the element 3 is appearing, and the common shaded region is this rectangle, not these A and B. So I'm going to shade all the region of the rectangle except A and B. Okay, now moves towards A union B. Now we have created union of these two diagrams. Union means हमने इनके शेडेड रीजन्स को सम अप कर लेना है, इकट्ठा कर लेना है. तो ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट में देखें यहाँ पे ए जो है वो शेडेड नहीं है, लेकिन यहाँ पे है, बट वी हैव टू शेड. ठीक है, एक में है तो हम इनको इकट्ठा करेंगे तो यूनियन में ये ए शेड हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली बी यहाँ पे नहीं है लेकिन यहाँ पे शेड है, तो बी भी रिजल्ट में शेडेड ही आएगा, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू टेक द यूनियन ऑफ दीज टू फिगर्स. And the other shaded region, this rectangle, okay, ये भी जो है यूनियन में आ जाएगा, एक्सेप्ट दिस रीजन. यहाँ पे भी कॉमन रीजन शेड नहीं है, यहाँ पे भी कॉमन रीजन शेड नहीं है, तो हमें यहाँ पे भी नहीं करना, बाकी सबका हमने यूनियन ले लेना है. सो दिस इज़ यूनिवर्सल सेट U, which is represented in form of rectangle, and this is set A, this is set B. सो शेड हो जाएगा जी सारा एक्सेप्ट दिस कॉमन रीजन. सो आई विल शेड ऑल द रीजन इंक्लूडिंग A and B except common portion of this, like this. Okay, now A union B whole complement. A union B whole complement means U माइनस A यूनियन B. मतलब हमने वो तमाम एरिया शेड करना होगा जहाँ पे A यूनियन B ना हो. A यूनियन B के अलावा सबको हमने शेड कर देना है. ओके, लेट्स सी. दिस इज़ सेट A, दिस इज़ सेट B, दिस इज़ कॉमन रीजन, एंड A यूनियन B को हमने शेड नहीं करना, because A union B, elements of A union B are subtracted from U. The resulting elements appear in this rectangle, so they will only be shaded. So this is A union B, whole is A union B. Set A and set B is a union of A union B. ये शेड नहीं होगा, only U शेड होगा. वो तमाम एलिमेंट्स जो कि U में है वो हमने शेड कर देने, और A और B को शेड नहीं करना, क्योंकि A यूनियन B जो है वो सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है, वो एलिमिनेट हो रहा है U में से. सो दिस इज़ A यूनियन B होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट. लेट्स मूव टूवर्ड्स A इंटरसेक्शन B होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट. इट्स फार्मूला इज U माइनस A इंटरसेक्शन B. नाउ हमने क्या करना है, A इंटरसेक्शन B के एलिमेंट्स को शेड नहीं करना, बाकी सबको शेड कर देना. ओके, सो A इंटरसेक्शन B वाला पोर्शन कौन सा बनेगा? दिस इज सेट A, दिस इज सेट B, और ये वाला जो पोर्शन है ये आपका यहाँ पे 3 है. इसको शेड नहीं करना, बाकी सबको शेड कर देना है, क्योंकि जो कॉमन रीजन है A और B का वो एलिमिनेट हो रहा है U में से. तो जो रिज़ल्ट है वो तमाम जो पोर्शन रिमेनिंग है उसको हमने शेड कर देना है. तो ये हम कर देते हैं यहाँ पे इसको शेड. A और B भी इसमें included, only the region, intersecting region will not be shaded. Okay student, now you can see these two diagrams, for example this and this, A union B whole complement and A complement intersection B complement. Both the diagrams are same, so from 1 and 2 we can say that this is 1 and this is 2. We can say that A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement in respect of Venn diagrams. और अब इसको देख लें. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर फिगर नंबर 3 and this is figure number 4. These both are equal. Okay, clearly can be seen from these two pictures, these two Venn diagrams. We can say that these two diagrams are same, equal. So A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. It's मीन कि ये दोनों वेन डायग्राम्स जो हैं इस लॉज को सेटिस्फाई कर रही हैं। तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक। If you have any confusion or any query about this topic, then please ask in a comment section. And if you like it, then please share and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. We will meet again with another video. Still, stay safe, stay happy, take care, bye.